It is that time of year again, you guys. It is time to unbox the FabFitFun Summer 2025 box. I feel like I say this every single time, but I truly cannot believe we are already approaching summer. It literally feels like this year just got started, but we're here. Summer is just around the corner, and I'm not mad about it because I love when we get to see what is inside of a new seasonal FabFitFun box. I am partnering with FabFitFun on today's video to share with you guys the goodies I got in my box, and I'll also share some of the other options that you guys can customize your FabFitFun box with. If you are living under a rock and you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is basically a customizable box that you receive 4 times a year, one for each season. And within this box, you will get 6 full-size beauty, fashion, wellness, or home products that you get to pick out. Yes, it is fully customizable, and each box is worth up to $350, which is mind-blowing. FabFitFun members also get access to these really cool flash sales where you can shop top brands for up to 70% off. So that's one of my favorite things about it. A lot of products that I use in my everyday routine, I can end up getting at a discount with FabFitFun. If you are interested in becoming a FabFitFun member, there are 2 different ways that you can sign up, and I do have coupon codes for each of them. So the first option is you can sign up to be a seasonal member. With this, your boxes are going to be $69.99 each, but I do have a coupon code for you guys to get 20% off of your first FabFitFun box. So I'll put that code KAYLALOVE here on the screen. I'll also list it in the description box along with a link for you guys to sign up to be a FabFitFun member. The other option is you can sign up to be an annual member. So if you know you want to get a box for every single season, you can go ahead and pay up front, and that membership is going to be $219.99 for the entire year. So you're already saving about $60 per year just by signing up to be an annual member. And as a special little treat, I do have a code for that as well. That code is going to be KAYLALOVEGIFT, and it is going to get you a $200 plus surprise gift when you sign up to be an annual member. I don't know about you guys, but I love a good mystery box, and that is kind of what you're gonna get with that coupon code. Super exciting, and like I said, FabFitFun carries some amazing brands, so I have no doubt you're going to absolutely love what's included. And yeah, I think I covered the basics, so without further ado, let's dive in and see all of the goodies I chose. Starting off with option number 1, we have this gorgeous beach tote. I have it folded in half right now, but this is actually a pretty good size for a beach tote, and I love the neutral color. And this is actually from the brand Show Me Your Mumu, which is one of my favorite brands ever, especially for spring and summer. I just feel like they really know spring and summer style. They just make the most incredible products, and this is no different. This is called the Sunseeker tote, and it retails for $68. So this product alone is already very close to the entire price of your FabFitFun box. And this is something I will definitely get a lot of use out of. I love the straw material here, but then it has a more durable white canvas on the bottom, which is nice. And you do have white handles, of course, attaching all the way down to the material on the bottom to match. And I know it really doesn't matter what it looks like on the inside, but I loved this stripe pattern inside. I don't know, it just sticks with the whole neutral theme. And you also have a little pocket on the inside as well. And probably my favorite thing about this beach tote is that it has a zipper. There are so many beach bags out there that do not have a zipper. It's just like an open tote, which can definitely be great at times, but for me, I like my things to be zipped up and secured. If I'm at the beach and I want to go into the ocean, or if I'm at the pool and want to go into the pool and I'm leaving my stuff behind, I at least want it to be zipped up so people can't just like see what is in my tote bag. So I really appreciated that, and this is just going to go with literally any beach outfit that I'm wearing. So yeah, I was really excited to see a larger item included in option number 1. They also had some really good beauty products that I was interested in. They have the Glow Recipe Blackberry Retinol Serum, and I actually own that. I love it. I think it's a really great gentle retinol. So if you're looking to incorporate a retinol into your routine, but you don't really know where to start, I think that's a really good option for beginners. I love all Glow Recipe products. They are incredible, and they also had a really nice sunscreen from Kopari. For the next option, we actually have a clothing piece, which I was very excited to see because I love when FabFitFun includes fashion pieces. They always do a lot of accessories, but anytime there's like an actual clothing piece, I'm very interested in it, and this one is from Aerie. I could not believe it. I immediately selected it, although there were some really good options here too. So it was a tough choice, but ultimately I thought this little long line sports bra would be amazing for summertime. I love this color. It's kind of like a periwinkle blue, and it does have removable bra pads built in. I love a good long line sports bra. I like for my sports bras just to go a little bit longer so that I have more coverage and it meets perfectly with my leggings. I think that this color would go great with any black leggings you have, of course, but also I think this would pair really nicely with like another bright color. Think like a hot pink pair of leggings and you can do a blue and pink moment. I also have some neutral white leopard print leggings. I'm excited to pair this with those. It's just a V-neck in the front and you just have a scoop in the back, and you can choose your size in this piece from extra small all the way to double XL. But overall, this is so comfortable. It's really stretchy and soft. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with Aries materials, which makes it a great thing to include in a FabFitFun box because it is such a well-known brand. And this sports bra retails for $39.95. If you don't want another sports bra in your life, you can choose from a bunch of different options. For option number 2, there were some NARS lip products, which looked beautiful. I remember seeing a couple other Glow Recipe products. The Papaya Cleansing Balm is amazing for removing your makeup. And I think they also had the Strawberry BHA Blur Drops. If you're more of a homemaker, FabFitFun has some incredible home options. And a couple of them were in this exact same blue color, which, like I said, is the perfect summer color. They had like a set of 4 little bowls or a 2-pack of little blue glasses. And I absolutely loved both of those. Our next pick is probably the one that I was most excited about. This is a candle from the brand Homesick, but it is in the scent Lemongrass Breeze. And one thing about me, number 1, I am a sucker for candles. I love anything that smells good. And number 2, I love anything lemon, especially during the summertime. Oh my God, it is so fresh. I just want my house to smell like anything fresh and lemony with like a little bit of sweetness. That is so my vibe. So this was a no-brainer for me. And let me tell you, it did not disappoint. First of all, I love the neutral packaging. This would match in any house. It is a ceramic jar, so you do have to be careful with the lid because it's not super secure. And then here is what the candle itself looks like. Once again, just very neutral, simple. But oh my goodness, does this smell amazing. Like, I was completely thrilled with my choice for this option. Like, this scent is just perfect. It's very lemon. It does seem like a stronger scent, which is what I look for in a candle. I want something that I can actually smell throughout my house. It's very fresh, but I do feel like you get a touch of sweetness at the end, which I prefer. I don't necessarily want it to smell like a cleaning product, but more like a very fresh lemonade, and that is exactly what you're getting with this scent. It does have more of a natural feel. It's not overly sweetened, but it's not overly chemically. It's just perfect, and I love it. I love the packaging. Like I mentioned, no matter where I put this in my home, I feel like it's going to look great. And this candle retails for $35. Some other choices for option number 3, they had a 3-compartment sunglasses holder, and I would highly recommend this. I didn't choose it because I actually already have one, but I travel with this thing every single time I go anywhere. I love changing up my sunglasses for different outfits. Sometimes you need gold, sometimes you need black, sometimes you need silver. So something like this is great to just keep them nice and secure while you travel. They also had a fragrance from Juliet Has a Gun in the scent Not a Perfume, and I do own this scent and I really, really like it. It's more musky, so if you're into those scents, this would be a great option for you. And I also loved these pearl earrings from Our Spare Change. For product number 4, we had mostly beauty items to choose from, and I ultimately went with this ingrown hair bikini patch from a brand I've never even heard of. But that's what's cool about FabFitFun, is I get to try out a lot of brands that I wouldn't necessarily find if I hadn't been a FabFitFun member. So this is from the brand Fazit. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce it. But as I mentioned, these are ingrown hair patches for your bikini area. Obviously that area is very sensitive, whether you're shaving, waxing, whatever, like you definitely get a couple of ingrown hairs down there at some point. And especially during summertime, you want to just keep that area nice and clean and smooth when you're wearing a lot of swimsuits. So I thought these would be a really great option moving into summertime. It does come with 24 patches, and they just have a lot of really good ingredients in them: hydrocolloid, lactic acid, azelaic acid, and niacinamide. And this 24 count retails for $35.99. I kind of want to open it up just to see how big they are. Okay, so here is what the product actually looks like. So they are fairly small, but obviously that is a smaller area, and for an ingrown hair, I think that's a great size. I do feel like this is a really good quantity for the price, especially considering you're only paying $69.99 for your entire box, or even less if you're an annual member. With these, it says you are just going to apply the patch, wear it for 6 to 8 hours, and then peel it off to reveal the extracted hair. And if you need to, you can repeat 2 to 3 times or just save the rest for your next ingrown hair. Hopefully you don't have too many, but these are really nice to have on hand. And something like this is kind of a random product, but I love a good mix of all different stuff in my box. Some fashion, some beauty, some home stuff, and then random stuff like bikini ingrown hair patches. I just love it. It's like getting everything you need for summer in one place. For choice number 4, before, I almost went with this Dr. Jart Cairo rubber mask. I think that is so interesting. It's kind of like a two-step thing, I believe. I've never used one, so let me know if you guys have, but I think you apply the serum and then apply the rubber mask over top, and it's supposed to just be really intense, very hydrating for your skin. It's like a moisturizing mask with hyaluronic acid. I have tried other Dr. Jart masks and I really love them. So if you do want something else and you don't know what to choose, that would have been my second choice. We have another beauty product for choice number 5. This is from First Aid Beauty, and it is their whole body deodorant. So this is supposed to provide 24-hour odor control, and the idea with this is that you can apply it anywhere. So you can apply it under your arms, you can apply it between your thighs, on your chest, anywhere where you are sweating a lot. This is supposed to prevent any odor at all. I have actually not really ever tried a whole body deodorant, so that is why I opted for this. I thought it would be something nice to try out, and I typically love First Aid Beauty products, and this one is in a fresh citrus scent, so let's smell it. It applies really nicely. It's very moisturizing. It's a little citrusy, but it's not overly scented. Like, I can barely smell it. So if overly fragrance things bother you, I think this would actually be really nice, and it feels really good on my skin. It kind of just dries down and feels totally normal. It's not sticky, it's not powdery or patchy. And on the back of the bottle, it says you can even apply this to your feet. I didn't even think about that, but that would be a really nice thing to do if you are someone who struggles with a little bit of stinky feet. Maybe this could help. And this is a 3-ounce bottle, and this retails for $20. Also, under choice number 4, you could choose a Kosas mini concealer for all of my beauty lovers. That one is a good option. Or they had an adorable straw visor, perfect for any vacations you have coming up. And for our very last product included in our summer box, I chose this beautiful gold floral cuff from Our Spare Change. To me, this just looks so elegant, and I think it's a great bracelet that you can pair with so many other bracelets in your collection. And I'm just going to pop it on right now, and then you just squeeze it to close it, and it does open and close really easily. And that is what it looks like on my wrist. I think it's so beautiful paired with another simple gold bracelet. If you are into just like simple gold jewelry that feels elegant and timeless, this is for you. It really is so pretty in person. I love the floral design. It's very subtle, so you do kind of have to like get up close to see it, obviously, because it is a very dainty piece of jewelry. But I'm obsessed. This is something that I will absolutely be wearing like every single day. I wear gold bracelets all the time, so this is perfect. And this little cuff retails for $62. For choice number 6, you also could have went with the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub. This is one of my favorite products of all time. Not only is it a classic body scrub that has those grains to exfoliate on the exterior, but it also includes 10% AHA, which is an ingredient that is going to actively work to exfoliate your skin. I love this product. I've used it forever now to get rid of like those tiny little bumps that you get on your skin, or to just like exfoliate before applying a self tanner. And they have it now in a fresh strawberry scent, which is what is included as an option in your FabFitFun box. So that's a great summer option. Under this choice, they also had a supplement, which I thought was interesting. It's called Not Today Gray. And this is supposed to slow the loss of hair pigment. So if you have gray hairs coming in, this is supposed to help with that and kind of slow it down a little bit. I should have considered this option because I have a lot of gray hairs. I don't know if you guys can see, but I really do have like a lot of gray coming in. So I probably should have gotten that. I would be very interested in taking that just to see if it works, but it also is just supposed to support hair health all around. So I wanted to mention that just because I feel like it is a very unique option that you could choose. So if you add up everything that I chose in my FabFitFun box, it equals $260.94. And that is more than what you would pay for an entire annual membership. So if that doesn't tell you that these boxes are worth it, I don't know what will, but I have always been satisfied with my FabFitFun boxes. I think that they're great and they're just so much fun. It's just like something fun to look forward to for each season. So yeah, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you are a FabFitFun member, let me know which choices you made in your summer box. And if you're not already a member and you're interested in signing up, don't forget I have 2 coupon codes listed in the description box, as well as a link to sign up. And I don't think you'll regret it, but thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye.